the 2nd of July 2021. Here's Kankaretie 2 staircase B. We don't know if it's the only elevator in this residential, but we will check if there's any staircase A as well. There's like 4 floors there.
Yeah.
We passed these 4 purchases over 325 grams with Schindler S series fixtures here. Amazing find. Still original today. The code was not easy, but we found it. There are 5 floors here, and this one was built in 1989. Turned 30 years old in 2019. And the serial number is 433-158, and this is close to Vaarala, Fagersta, also not far from Jakomäki, here in Helsinki and Sweden. And it's going to be inspected this year, 2021. The capacity is 325 grams. Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
Good ride.
Inspektiittaakin maintained by Schindler.
And I really love these red doors here. Red, wine red.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And also downstairs the brown doors. I think they fitted well here.
Yeah.
Great choice of door. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Also, even this radiator is wine red.
Yeah. That's